Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video we are gonna learn about the input function. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the input function can, if for example, if a user gives us information, we can store the info in our variable or variables and use them. So guys, let's see what we can do using the input function. So first of all, we need to write name equals input and hello, what is your name? And then we're gonna write input name, and we're gonna say how are you? Yeah, oh guys, I forgot something here. We're gonna write addition mark and how are you? And so we're gonna run it and hello, what's your name? I'm gonna write AI man. Alright, so I've got a mistake here as you can see, and we're gonna press the space button and now run it again. Yep, and here let's say AI man, and it says how I man, how are you? I'm gonna write I'm good. And the program finishes here, so we can level up the program a bit. Okay, so let's get into it. And so you want to write here again, name equals input and hi, what is your name? And here let's say input, and let's say we're gonna write name addition mark, and we're gonna say how are you again, how are you? And now we're gonna say input. So basically the input function is useful for just speaking with others or making a game, a conversation game. So like in iOS, we can use this as maybe we can pretend that program would write with the input function as like Siri, or in Android or Windows Cortana, and so we can use it like that. So now let's get back to our program, and let's say name and addition mark. I I am I am gonna ask you some questions. Please answer it. And we're gonna say, and we're gonna say country equals input, and we're gonna say input where are you from? and let's say here an input, and we're gonna say is addition mark country addition mark beautiful, oh wait, beautiful country, and here we're gonna say, and wait, now we're gonna say input, thanks for answering my questions, and here we're gonna say addition mark name, addition mark exclamation mark. Now we're gonna say, but I need to go, so bye. See you next time. And now we've completed our program, so you guys might be a bit confused, and you might be confused about the input function or something, but also we're gonna learn about the input function in another tutorial, or yeah, we're gonna use it in other tutorials of my videos, so you don't need to worry about it. And you can also just watch my video over and over, so you can learn it a bit more, so you can do that, right? Yeah, so let's run the program now, and we're gonna say anyway man. Alright, so I forgot it again, guys, so sorry. We need to run it again, I guess. Okay, we're gonna say AI man, and we're gonna say good, thanks, and it's gonna say AI man, I'm gonna ask you some questions, please answer it. I say okay, sure. Where are you from? Let's say I'm just giving an example, okay? I'm really not from Canada. Canada. Um, we're gonna say it. Yes, it is. It is very beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna write. It's gonna say thanks for answering my questions, AI man, but I need to go, so bye. See you next time. Okay, bye. So the program is finished, guys. So this code only, it's just 6 lines, and we've created a whole bunch of questions, and we created this program. It's so like good, right? So you don't need to write so much code for this. So this is how the input function can be useful. And so this is the end of the tutorial. If you had enjoyed it, don't mind to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. So see you next time. Bye.